and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and it is time for the shop launch video for the month of July. So the launch of the new products I'm going to show you in a minute, some limited, some not, is going to be on the 12th of July at 9 p.m. BST, British summertime we are in. So yeah, do sign up or be alert, set an alarm for that time so that you can get your hands on some of these goodies. But firstly, these are something I didn't physically have in my hand the last video, but I just wanted to remind you that they are there, though plenty of you have found them. We have added two more to our range of diamond painting putty. We have Ocean Escape and Tropical Twist. Smell very much like they sound, so they add to our existing putty lineup as a stock item. Now for our limited edition items, no, let's start with our other items actually. So our new stock item is we have we are proud to now have diamond dust drills. So these are just a couple of the packs. I have got the rest here. Actually seeing the glitter on camera is so hard to show you. So I'm going to see if I can grab one. This one is a lot more apparent than some of the others, and I'm really not sure how it's going to pick up on camera. I've tried to pick them up by photograph, and that's been extremely hard. So there are a couple of examples on the website where I've tried to sort of catch the glitter coating. Some of them you can see a little bit clearer than others. It's quite a bit more apparent on some of the darker ones, but it also does depend because that is a very dark colour, but the glitter, while it is definitely there, it is quite hard to see, but in real life you can see them. So yeah, we have quite a few selections of diamond dust drills. In fact, a whole ruck of them. We have them in both square and round. And we have quite a few different sets. So you will be able to see the colour sets on the website. And as I say, some of the glitter, it's like a glitter, but it's like a very, very fine glitter. Think sort of a glittery talcum powder put over diamonds, rather than big chunks of glitter that you may get from a pot of glitter. It's very, very fine glitter. But yeah, we have quite a few different sets. So I'm going to pull them out in either round or square, but we do have them in both. I'm just very limited on desk space because there is 60 different colours, and we have grouped them into quite a few different sort of themes. So we have garden. We then have a vacation. Now these of course don't need to be used for specific things, but these are just the colour names we've sort of given them. We've got a grouping of purples, trying to pick them from opposite sides. We've then got some blues. We have woodland, which is greens and a couple of browns. We then have, what's my next one? This one is brights. So very, very bright and vivid colours in that set. Then we have pastels. So your more muted colours. Some of these, it depends on the light. Some of them are a little bit trickier to see the glitter or the sparkle, but other times you look at them and you're like, oh yeah, the sparkle's there right in front of your face. It's very much an in-between the two. We then have a rainbow. So that one gives you the 4 colours of the rainbow, slightly more muted than the bright, but still an absolutely gorgeous colour. See if I can find space to fit some more in. We have neutrals. So we've got white, a couple of greys. All the DMC numbers are on the listings for these. We have pinks, peachy pinks in the glitter ones. And then last, but by no means least, we have citrus as well. So quite a few different selections depending on what types of colours diamond paintings. No, I'm missing one. I am missing one. The one that I actually grabbed out to show you that dark colour. To show you this colour. This one is Jewel. I knew I had one that was a bit more muted or richer colours is probably the way I'd say it. So we also have Jewel as well. So yeah, we have all of these selections. There is no colour duplicated in 2 packs. So these might both have a red, but they are different reds. This red is also different. Your pinks in here do not double up with any of your pinks in other packs, etc, etc. So you can get any of these packs, and any other pack that you may choose to get now or in the future will have different colours to your last pack, unless of course you buy duplicates of the same pack. But yeah, we have sort of made these ensembles up to make sure that there are no doubles. So 60 different colours in these drills that you can get between the packs, and you can get them in round or in square. So these are a stock item. All items will be up on the website for you to have a look. You can have a look at the individual DMC numbers if that's something you want to look at. Though, as with AB diamonds, it's the same with the diamond dust drills. You can get away with, if you're switching ones out on your painting, you can get away with one that is close. Because the coating on the top's different, it gives it a different sort of look. So this has been my life for the past week and a half, and will probably be my life for the next week, to make sure that I have plenty of these packs all ready for you. They are all in their own bag. They're in their own individual bag with the DMC code on. If you prefer to store these in pots, just to let you know, if I find a pot, the diamonds that are in this bag will fill a pot. They will fill it to at some point in between these 2 lines. So it's between 8 to 10 grams, probably nearer the 10 grams, but we're erring on the side of caution. But you will be able to fill up a pot to somewhere between where these little rings are, is the way we've sort of measured them. So if you do like to store your ABs and stuff in pots, this is the size that you're going to get, which, as we know from doing diamond paintings, is probably well over 1,000 diamonds, but I haven't counted them, so don't hold me to that, and I don't have a plan to count them. If anybody else would like to, go for it, but I'm not. So they are the stock items that you may or may not have seen on video. And then, of course, because it is July, we do have our new limited edition trays, pen and cover paper. For the trays, I've actually forgot to bring a trash tray in, but for the trays there is a trash tray as well. We have gone for rose gold for this month. They are a beautiful silk feel or silk filament that we have used in our 3D printer. There is the bundle there is the Zesty tray and there is the AMZ tray. There will also be some trash trays on their own. So don't ask me why I forgot to bring one in with me. I say, it's been a diamonds kind of week this week. For our pen, we have a beautiful rose gold metal pen. So this one is different to our other metal pens. It is slightly thicker in some places. So this is our standard metal pen. It gets a little bit thicker here and then goes down a little bit, just a slight bit, so you can find a comfy groove. This one does also have a little groove here, but then it does go a bit wider in the middle before going tapered out. And you can choose to have your plastic tips with that or not if you prefer to use metal tips. So that is our pen for the month. These are limited according to numbers. When what we have is gone, it's gone. And then we have our cover paper for the month. So we have 5 limited edition cover papers. We will have, or the website will say that we have unlimited stock of these until the end of July. At the end of July, we will then adjust the stock to how many we have ready and prepped. And once they're gone, they're gone. But we have beautiful pink tulips, which I think goes absolutely gorgeous with the colour scheme for this month. We then have pink stripes. Again, all your pinks and peaches. We've got a couple with a pop of colour, but we do also have blossoms as a beautiful pink one. And then for pops of colour, we have parrots, which has, of course, got the pink, but then has the gorgeous yellows and blues with that a little bit sort of a limey leaf colour. And then we have colourful flowers. This is one that the more pieces you put together, the sort of more vibrant the flowers are. There's quite a few different sort of designs in this one. So once they're all either pieced together or close to being laid out on your diamond painting, you'll see a bit more like a flower meadow, should we say, a bit like a wildflower meadow. But that one is colourful flowers. So yeah, quite a lot to bring to you this month. We also do have our pre-order for the 2024 Advent calendar is available on the website. I will be doing a video on that separately, but I do just want to mention, because this is launch things and you may go looking on the website and getting your basket ready for launch day with things that are available from now, or other things that you may need to stock up on. I do just want to let you know and make sure that I tell you that the Advent is a pre-order. It is not shipping till August or September, depending on when your order has come in. And any items ordered at the same time will be shipped with your Advent calendar. So if you are wanting items quicker, place your orders separate. We do have a pre-order offer that gives free shipping on the Advent calendar alone itself, regardless of how many you buy, but the Advent calendar itself is free standard worldwide shipping. So there is no reason to put your orders together. It doesn't cost you any more to split them up. So to avoid disappointment, if there are any of these goodies that you want, do place it separately to your Advent order. But as I say, I will do a video on Advent separately because this is a longer video than normal. But I had a lot of things to show you. We've got lots and lots of very pretty glittery diamonds that keep sparkling, but I still don't think they show on camera, but I still keep seeing them sparkling from here. A little bit more subtle than ABs, I'd say. Diamond Industrials are slightly more subtle than ABs, but they are beautiful if you like that extra touch of pizzazz. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching and being here. As always, if you do have any questions, feel free to ask them below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. But thank you all so much for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon.